Brace yourself, my friend, because there's nothing but sunny skies ahead for this.
I think we're hurting him. Fall back. It's time to take some drastic measures. Eggman!
For the first time, I feel totally stress-free.
Hey, guys!
I didn't say that. He did.
Sure you didn't.
I'm stupid.
Why are there cockroaches on my bench?
Play dead!
You start working on Eggman's defenses. I'll gather up parts. And Eggman, put on some pants.
My record!
That is some interesting cocoa.
Want to guess my secret ingredient?
If he says love, I'm out of here. Knuckles, stop tearing pages off that calendar.
Okay, fine.
Come on, guys! Wait for me! Communication problem. He whacked me with a pillow. Hard. I'm dizzy, and I have serious short-term memory loss.
Ooh, lightning phobia pile!